Welcome to solverfy.
In this video, I'm going to be drawing 6 carbon compounds. So first we'll draw skeletons for 6 carbon compounds with a 5 carbon chain and 2 double bonds. So here's my 5 carbon chain. We'll put the 6 carbon here, and then we can draw a double bond here and here. You want to be really careful to make sure that none of your carbons are bonded more than 4 times. So you can put our double bonds there. We can put both of our double bonds in the middle of the chain. Or we can put them here and here. And then we'll add our 6 carbon to the center of the chain. And for this configuration, we can draw our double bonds here. Or we can draw them here and here. We can also add a double bond here, but then we can't put another double bond in the center, so we can put one on the outside of the chain. And our final skeleton, we can put both of our double bonds on the outside of the chain. And there's actually one more I missed. We can add our carbons here for the first configuration, our double bonds there. Okay, so that gives us 9 possible configurations for a 6 carbon compound with a 5 carbon chain and 2 double bonds. Next, we're going to draw 6 carbon compounds with a 5 carbon chain and 1 triple bond. So ignore these over here. We'll start with our 5 carbon chain. And we can draw our triple bond here. Or we can draw our triple bond here. And if we put our extra carbon in the middle of that chain, then we can draw a triple bond on the end of the chain. So there are 3 configurations, 3 skeletons for a 6 carbon compound with a 5 carbon chain and 1 triple bond. Next, we will draw 6 carbon compounds with a 4 carbon ring. So they'll have a 4 carbon ring and no double bonds. We're going to draw our ring like this. And we can add our 5th and 6th carbons like that to the same carbon in the ring. We can also make a chain of those 2 carbons. We can add the carbons to different carbons on the ring, adjacent carbons, or we can put the carbons on opposite ends of this 4-carbon ring. So there are your 4 options for drawing skeletons of 6-carbon compounds with a 4-carbon ring and no double bonds.